Hi, I'm Anna, a marketing manager in a pharmaceutical company. Let's move on to the Smart Customer Engagement (SCE) tool, which is designed for automation. This tool allows us to automate communication workflows with our target audiences. We can plan the entire sequence of actions, deciding when and how we communicate. In the final version, it appears as follows, with different branches and triggers triggered by specific events. For example, we might want to create a communication flow that includes both product information and event invitations for doctors. We begin by setting up a new workflow, choosing a start date for our campaign. For this one, let's begin next Monday, and we'll leave the end date open for now. Next, we define the target audience. We'll use the segment we previously created for the new alpha product, focusing on doctors. The communication sequence begins with the first action, an email to introduce the new product. We'll name this step Step 1 for easy identification within the system. This name won't be visible to the recipient, just a reference for us. For this step, we'll use content titled New Alpha Content, introducing the product to the doctors. The email will be sent from Proxima Research, and we'll track link clicks to measure engagement. Once we've set up this first step, we can initiate the communication flow. We'll then wait a few days, say 3 days, before triggering the next action in the sequence. We add a timer of 3 days or until a specific date, depending on the schedule. Once the timer is set, we can integrate it into the workflow. After this waiting period, we'll send another message with different content to test which performs better. We can compare the results, such as which content generated more clicks and engagement. Every link click is tracked, allowing us to analyze the performance of each message. Once we see that doctors have completed the entire sequence, we can mark the campaign as finished. The workflow can be as long as necessary, with multiple branches triggered by specific events. For example, if a medical representative visits a doctor, we can send an automated follow-up. Or if it's a doctor's birthday, we can send a personalized greeting. These actions can all be automated, creating a continuous communication cycle with doctors. Next Generation Pharma CRM.